Oh my goodness. Incredible. This is still at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
What are they? Everybody's backed up and stuffed. This place is stuffed.
Oh my goodness. And then you got the radio time, the TV time, guys.
Reporting. Supposed to be the red areas.
Well, look.
I mean, this hill? This
Yeah,
incline?
I mean, you talk about a constant climb. Knowing what we went through last night, I can only imagine what this was. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, they're still checking cars. I mean, they're still checking what's left.
Oh, that guy spun his tire flat.